Exorcist and the Akumas. We are talking, of course, about The Grey Man today, created by Katsura Hoshino and directed by Osamu Nabeshima and Nana Harada. Okay, confession time. I didn't really watch The Grey Man before until, of course, the news about the Grey Man Halo came, and that it was going to be simultaneously aired in India. You don't really get new anime in India every time. So when it does, of course, you have to watch it. So as I said, I never really saw the anime before. I of course knew about the story. I've known about the manga, about the anime, of course, but somehow it always slipped the fold. Somehow I was always watching something else, and it really never caught my attention back then. But that aside, I binge watched it. Really, 103 episodes is a daunting task, but I binged it and I loved it. This is an awesome anime, and you don't want to miss out on it. This is an awesome anime. This is the story of Alan Walker. He is an exorcist and joins the fight with the Dark Order against the bad guys, or the Akumas, or the demons if you want to call it that, led by the Millennium Earl. Along the way, gaining friends, comrades, fighting for what's right and what's true, and the unsuspecting surprises and occasional reveals along the way. The story is pretty generic, really, but that doesn't make it any less interesting, because it is very interesting and very much likable. First, the animation, the character design, the soundtrack is definitely very well done. It's definitely very cool, and with the setting being in the medieval era, really, it brings out a new highlight to the show. It also keeps a good balance between the good and evil. Really, for a show that's about life and death, it really keeps that balance. It definitely doesn't verge on the morose or the sad. Really, there are moments of sadness. I have cried tears throughout the show, but it is very well done, and I attest to it. This is something you don't want to miss out on. I know I'm gushing, but I can't help it, really. This is an awesome show. But its episodic nature sometimes, makes it its enemy, really. As I said, this is a generic anime, with the monster of the episode fights, but what makes it stand tall are its characters, its complexities, its dramatics, its humor, and of course the sad moments, really. Every character is given the time to shine. It sometimes feels slow because they did divide the whole thing throughout the 103 episodes, but really, I think we can, leave out the bad aspects, because this is something to be severed, and really, it is something to be enjoyed along with the tears, of course.